Welcome to Roboprenr. My name is Fanidar and I'm the robotics instructor. I have been teaching robotics to kids from the past 3 to 4 years. Want to know how to build robots? This is a robot mechanical course. In this course, the student learns about different types of batteries, wheels, and they will also learn about what kind of wheels they have to use in different kinds of environments, let's say sand or normal floor. And after that, they will learn about engineering drawing concepts, which is actually very necessary to design a customized robot on their own. And also they will learn about wireless technologies like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and they will also learn about how to make an app which can be used to control the robot with Bluetooth. And learning all these concepts, they will make different kinds of robots like sumo robot, pick and place robot, and racing robot. All these will help the students to master the way how to design a robot for their customized application.